Hello, welcome to Azure Administrator AZ-104 revamp video. So in this video we will see Lab O9. So Lab O9 is basically it's divided into three parts A, B and C. In A part we will talk about the web application, web apps. In 09B we will talk about the container instance, and in the C section we will talk about the container applications. So let's jump to the Azure portal and let's see all of these three one by one. So again you need to go to the Azure portal, just search web apps, and once you hit on the web apps you will see few entries there. One is web application and another would be web application plus database, and a few more will be there. So you need to select on the web application since we are dealing with the web application itself. So once you select the web application, just give hit on the plus create button and fill all the details which is given on the GitHub portal for this curriculum. Again, it is recommended to follow the GitHub official GitHub curriculum for this entire course. It will keep you in sync with entire learning. So if you give all the details and hit on plus create, then it will be created. But before that, there are a couple of points which I would like to highlight here. Is that for the web application you will need certain type of the instance resource which might not available in the region which you select. So in GitHub portal it's recommended to select the East US region. Most of the time that region is filled out of the resource is not available. So you can just check few of other reasons and then select other reason, and then it will be available. For me, when I am recording this video and when I am doing this lab, so for me East US East 2 and West 3 was available. Australia Center was available where the resources was available. So you can just test and try, or else just to skip the test and trial method, you can just ask Gemini to do some research, and Gemini will tell you exactly which reason is you should select for this particular resource which is needed in this lab. So once you go ahead and hit on create, the web application will be created, and after that you will see that you need to create the staging and production environment, and you need to swap between this staging and production environment both. So yeah, so after those in the another task you will be also seeing that you are routing the traffic from staging to entirely to the this one production environment. So that swapping part is also included in this lab. And you see that once your entire swapping and everything is completed, your part of the web application is something that hello world, and it will when you open that URL which you for your web application in another tab, it will just simply display the hello world, which means that your lab is successful. So this lab 0 is 09A is completed. Now talking about the 09B. So here we talk about the container instance, Azure Container Instance ACI. So in this also you just search Azure Container Instance on the top search bar, and you just select the ACI and then hit on plus create button. Once you land there, again fill out all the details which are given in the GitHub portal. Mind the reason again for this particular OB, that reason might not affect much because the resources which you need for this is simply available across the region. So you just check that in the East US also, which is for the GitHub Learning free subscription, the East US region is allocated, so there also you might get the resources. So you just go ahead and give all the details and hit on plus create button. It will be created. Mind the networking, how you are defining public access and private access, those things you just notice. And also notice the monitoring aspects of the ACI instance which you will be creating. Once it is created, you just copy the, once it is created, you will land on this dashboard which I am showing here. And you see that FQDN, fully qualified domain name is will be generated. You just copy this FQDN and search in another tab, and then it will say that welcome to the Azure container instance. That means your lab is successful. So in this way your lab 0B is completed. Now moving to 0C, lab 09C. So 09C is nothing but this one, container application. So again, just search on the top search bar container application, select and hit on plus create button. After hitting plus on create button, then fill up all the details which are recommended on the GitHub portal. Once you fill everything, again in this part C, the reason might not affect because the resources which are needed in this lab is available across the region, so you need not to worry. Just go ahead and hit on plus create button. Once it is created, you just again copy the URL for the container application, paste it in another tab, and you will land on this page which says that your container application is running. So that means that you are done with this lab. In the below you get two options, like if you want to explore more or manage more, or just manipulate more things, then you can just proceed ahead. Otherwise you are done with lab 3C also, 09C. So in this way you are done with all three part of the 09 lab. So at the end, don't forget to clean up all your resources so that it will save your free trial subscription credit. Recommended is to just go ahead and delete the Azure resource group itself, which you have just created for this lab. So yeah, this is pretty much in this video and in this 09 lab for AZ-104. See you in the next video. Thank you.